7, 8, and 9 are trying to get you to understand functional notation that normally we have something like this. F of x equals y. The number inside the parentheses is the x value. The number after the equal is the y value. So what they're going to do is have you pick out the corresponding value on your graph if I have something in functional notation. So if I have g of 1, it means the x value is 1. Give me a corresponding y value that's on my graph. So if I look at my graph at a point that has an x value of 1, well, right here is where 1 is. I'd have to go down here. The y value of that point would be negative 1. If I have the other one that says g of x equals negative 2, it's telling me the y value is negative 2. Find a corresponding x value on your graph. So if I look for y is negative 2, that's going to be this point right down here. The x value of that point would be 0. They're actually going to make you put it on the end like that. So on the g of 1, they'll have you put the negative 1 behind it, but here they'll just have you put it on the end. Sometimes you have more than one value. You're just going to pick out one of them that works. You don't have to put, or they don't want you to put both in. Just find one if there's more than one. So any of the answers would be correct. So on number 8, if I have f of x equals 4, that means I want to find a point that has a y value of 4. And I want a corresponding x value to go with that. 3. I could use this point right here. Whoops, wait a minute. Yeah, that point right there. 3, 4 would be the value. So I'll just put it there on the end. And then they want me to do f of 2. So they want you to find a point that has an x value of 2. My corresponding y value would be 1, because I'd be at this point right here, which is 2, 1. And number 9, h of x equals negative 4. So I want to find the x value for a point that has a y value of negative 4. One. This point right here would be at 1, negative 4. And f of 0. I want to have a point that has an x value of 0. Negative 2. That point right there is at 0, negative 2. So in functional notation, if it's in the parentheses, it's the x value. If it's after the equal sign, it's your y value.